Last week, I had a very difficult exam. Our teacher had advised us to relax. He had explained what we had to study and what exercises we needed to practice. For the whole semester, I had been struggling with class, but on the day of the exam, I felt really calm. To my surprise, the exam was very easy. I realized that I had been worrying for no reason at all. As you can see, today we're going to focus on analyzing how to use the simple past, the past perfect, and the past perfect continuous when we tell stories. Welcome to Lesson 3.
Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari.
Hello! Welcome to your Language Studio. I am Teacher Sari, and in these videos I am going to help you continue practicing your English. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. Also, I want to remind you to download the worksheet that you have in the description below. Remember to work on it while you watch this lesson. Let's start. When we tell stories, we talk about a sequence of events. To do this, we use the past tenses. Listen to the following story. Analyze what past tenses are used and how we're using them.
A few months ago, I lost my job. I had been applying to a few places, but I hadn't had any luck. One day, out of the blue, I got an email from an old friend that I hadn't contacted in ages. It turned out she had started her own company and had been struggling to find someone to help her out. So, as soon as I explained to her my situation, she offered me a position. I was very grateful.
Let's analyze. When we tell stories, we use the simple past to talk about events that started and finished in a period of time. Listen. So, as soon as I explained my situation, she offered me a position. I was very grateful. The past perfect. We use the past perfect to talk about events that happened before another action. Listen. I got an email from a friend that I hadn't contacted in ages. The past perfect continues. We use this tense to talk about background, ongoing, or temporary events in the past. Listen. I have been applying to a few places, but I hadn't had any luck. Now practice telling your stories using the simple past, the past perfect, and the past perfect continuous. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next video. Bye!